Yes, a very good morning, class third. So we have already done question number 1 and 2, right? Yes. So today's date is 27th of August 2020. So let's continue exercise 12 of question number 3 from question number 3. So question number 3 is the sum of two number is 8324. If one of the number is 5896, what is the other number? Suppose we have two numbers, first number and second number, and then their sum of two number is 8324, and if one of the number is 5896, so what is the other number? So now solution: the sum of two numbers, the sum of two numbers is 8324, right? 8324, and one of the number equals to 5896. Then other number equals to 8324 minus 5896. So 8324 5896 subtract. So this is ones, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousand. So now step 1 is subtracting ones. So we want to subtract 6 from 4, but it is not possible because 4 is smaller than 6. So now take one borrow from tens, and 110 is left, and in ones position 110 plus 4 ones becomes 14 ones. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So write 8 under ones column. Now subtracting tens. So we want to subtract 9 from 1, but it is not possible. So from 100 column we borrow 100 and leaving behind 2, and in tens position 100 plus 110 becomes 11 tens. So 11 minus 9 is 2, right? Now subtracting 100. So we want to subtract 8 from 2, but it is not possible. So from 1000 we borrow 1000 and leaving behind 7, and in 1000 position 1000 plus 200 becomes 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So other number is 2428. Yes. And what number must be added to 5679 to get 9123, right? Yes. So now solution: the sum of two numbers, numbers equals to 9123, and one of the number is 5679. The other number is 9123 minus 5 6 7 9. So 9 1 2 3 5 6 7 9. Subtract this. So this is ones, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousand, right? Yes. And now we want to subtracting ones. So we want to subtract 9 from 3, but it is not possible. So from tens we borrow 1 10 and leaving behind 1, and 1 10 plus 3 ones becomes 13 ones. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Now subtracting tens. So we want to subtract 7 from 1. So from the 100 column we borrow 100. So leaving behind 0. And in tens position 100 plus 1 tens becomes 11 tens. So 11 minus 7 is 4. And subtracting 100 from hundreds. So we want to subtract 6 from 0. Right? Yes. So it is not possible because 0 is less than 6. So from the 1000 column we borrow 1000 and leaving behind 8, and in 100 position 1000 plus 0 100 becomes 1000. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So the other number is 3444. Now the next question is, what number must be subtracted from 6314 to get 4869? So the sum of the number is 6314, and the first number and one of the number is 4869. Then the other number is 6314 minus 4869. So 6314 minus 4869, subtracting. So this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. So we want to subtract 9 from 4, but it is not possible. So from the tens column we borrow 1 10 leaving behind 0, and 1 tens plus 4 ones becomes 14 ones. So 14 minus 9 is 6 5. Thus 10 11 12 13 14. And now subtracting tens. So we want to subtract 6 from 0, but it is not possible. So from the 100 we borrow 100 leaving behind 2, and 100 plus 0 10 becomes 10 tens. So 10 minus 6 is 4. And now subtracting 100, we want to subtract 8 from 2. So it is not possible. So we borrow 1000. So leaving behind 5, and 200 becomes 1000 plus 200 becomes 1200. 12 minus 8 is 4. And now subtracting 1000. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So the other number is 1445. It means 1445, right? Yes. So today's work is this. So do this work in your fair copy, right? Yes. Thank you so much, class, and have a nice day.